everyone, Dr. Chris here with the Physio Room, and we had 2 feet of snow out there today. Most of us were out shoveling, and I know I spent 45 minutes, and towards the end I could definitely start to feel my lower back. I have a tendency to kind of round through my back, and I'm going to show you what that means in just a second. But if you've had any pain with shoveling the snow, one of our biggest tips here is to kind of brace that spine kind of in neutral. And what we mean by that is as you're coming in, we don't want you to kind of round through there. So you can see there's this curve in my back. I want to keep everything flat, and specifically right here in this lower region, because even just a little bit right there, you can see that gets rounded right there, and I want to stay flat. I'm not talking about the big round through this upper, but more down lower. We want to stay neutral. So one of the drills that we do here in clinic is we put this little PVC pipe here, and we have people come in and hinge. And if they're rounding, you can see it comes off there. Or vice versa. Some people arch and they have a big space through there. And so that's one of the tricks is, you know, as you're in, you can see it right here. There's neutral, there's rounded in my lower. If you're scooping a big heavy and you put that load right through there, that's going to start to irritate. That's going to give you that back pain. That'll give you that hip pain down, and that can send some pain down your leg. So if you have any questions about that, please comment below. We can help you out. Send me a quick video. I'll give you a nice form check on your shoveling. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a good one. Take care.